Hello guys, welcome to Happy Streamers channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm going to show you how to take two different pictures on Bereal app. So guys, at first make you sure that you have an account on your Bereal app, and then just go to your Bereal app. So guys, in order for you to take two different pictures at once, you have to tap on the Take Your Bereal icon. And then you have to tap on the icon that is located at the bottom right, the rotation icon. After that, just click on the middle icon. So guys, as you can see, you have taken two different pictures on Bereal, and that's how you can take two different pictures on Bereal very easily. So guys, I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, then please give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching the video.